Hi there, just a quick one. I'm going to do a bit of support for Andy from 7K Metalworx, and this old video of mine from 2014, I just want to give it a bit more reach, to give him a bit more of a shout out from years back. But if you have a look through, there's hardly anything filled in on it because of the old way it was. None of the tags work because they're my old ones, and the score is like 9.5 out of 100. So I'm just going to improve it all. Come back in a bit. There's a difference in the thumbnails. Let's get on the titles and description now. So if I flip between the two, see it's a lot more crowded, a lot denser. A bit more filling up things, tags. The thumbnail as well, a bit brighter. I'm not a thumbnail genius. It does have an end screen, it's got one card in it. Now it's in some playlists. Got a score of 60 out of 100 so far. The tags are there, we've got some points on it. Looking good. So I'll leave that for now, maybe come back, maybe the points will go up again. Still on 60, but anyway, that there should be a lot better for such an old video. And all the other things, of course, to do now is go right click, Chrome, that 7K Metalworx. So you go to there, you find his website. That you go, copy, lose that for now, and then of course on here you go there. Site. Here, space, come back a bit. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ownership of it, so there's an apostrophe S. Network. Save. And you can pool it over there, and you go on there like that. The video runs. Now I've got the tags there. Running. Yeah, well, I can't help the face, can you? Right, so down here, full, what's it? Social right, 100% score, 55 out of 100 is a bit there. Bit there, bit there. And then of course I got, now I'm cropping up in that, so I'm already on there. I'm already on there. I'm there. That's not bad. I'm in 3 of the following 20 videos. The link works. There's this site, that's cool. And the Patreon works. Oh, those were the days people used to leave comments. So hopefully that'll be far more traction on the interweb. So all the best to Ant on this site. So, okay, that works.